Moving abroad as a first-time expat isn't just about securing your contract, booking your flights, and jetting off to a new country. It's finding the perfect house, neighborhood, and coffee shop that reminds you of home. It's getting into a good fit school and helping your kids to get grounded and settled. It's finding your way in a completely new work culture, and no doubt processing a range of emotions on the way there. Here are a few of the do's and don'ts I wish I knew as a first-time expat. Do jump into the Facebook groups early before you leave. They're going to give you the real local scoop. Don't sign a lease for a rental without seeing it first. There are so many horror stories out there. Do your school research and waitlist early. Timing is everything with schools. And please don't assume the visa and move process is going to be simple and quick. It never is. We've been stuck in a situation before where we had to fly out before our entire house of furniture was packed and shipped. We actually had to phone a friend to help guide the removalists on the day and then lock up the house for us. Not an ideal scenario for stress, I can tell you. So if you're feeling overwhelmed already about your upcoming move, you're not alone. I've got way more survival tips for you on my blog. It's called the Expat Women's Collective, and you'll find the link in my bio. I can't wait to see you there.